What's up, guys, and welcome back to Bomb Squad, which is the newly titled of this game. Because why not?
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm using my Steam controller now because I'm also lazy and don't want to keep the computer right next to me, as well as I wanted to try something new. So we're gonna get ready to finally start on section 3, even though we tried to get through section 2 last time. Anyway, let's get going.
Take half an hour.
No, it didn't actually.
I think it took around 26 minutes.
Yeah, you're right.
Somewhere around that, yeah.
Technically not half an hour.
Alright, whenever you're ready.
It's loading, so you
Okay.
best be ready.
I would like to know right away if you have any needy modules.
We don't have needy modules yet.
Okay.
Alright, so we got that there, though. That one.
The display?
Yeah,
Okay. Cool. What's the display read?
there.
THERE?
Yep.
Okay, what's the bottom right word say?
Middle.
Okay, do you have one that says blank?
Yes.
Hit it.
Okay, next one.
What's your display?
Display.
What's the bottom right word?
Blank.
Okay, hit wait.
There's no wait.
Is there a right?
Nope.
Okay.
Yes. You are.
Bottom right.
You.
Um,
With a U, not the
letter U?
the letter U.
Uh-huh.
Nope.
Sure.
Nope.
Next.
Nope. Yeah. Nope, that wasn't it.
Did you miss sure? Was there uh-huh?
Read is the new one.
R-E-A-D?
Yep.
What's the right letter? Middle.
Middle.
Okay. Blank?
Nope.
Ready.
Nope.
Okay.
Yes. Awesome. Guess. Morse code one.
The Morse code. Okay. So when it starts over, tell me dots and not dots.
Okay. Starting over. Long. Dot. Long. 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 Dot. Dot. That's it.
So two triple dots. Dot indicates the letter S. So we went with two S's. We have no such thing as two S's. Maybe a line dot. Fine. Okay. So. Oh, that's the letter O.
Line. Dot. Line. Line. Is there anything that starts with those things?
Like I was thinking boxes, but no.
Because I'm really bad at Morse code. First of all.
And you're sure like the last two words were dot.
No, it was line. Dot.
Oh, line dot. Oh, that's completely different.
I told you that, but you didn't listen.
Okay, 3.565.
3.565.
And
3.565. Awesome. Wires. Horizontal wires.
how many?
6.
6. What's the last digit of the serial number?
Oh, I would tell you it is 6.
Okay. Is there one yellow wire?
There are 2.
How many red wires?
1.
Cut the fourth wire.
Boosh! Oh, Jesus. I forgot. I am so sorry to everyone who had to listen to that. I forgot that the volume was maxed out, and I didn't mean to do that. It screamed in my ears. So I apologize to anyone who had to listen to that. Yeah.
So we finished that one?
Yeah, we got that one. That one was super easy that time. Oh, God.
We had one strike on that?
No, yeah, we did.
Okay.
So this one's called Something Different. The description is, do these wires look different to you? Does this bomb look exploded to you?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I really hope not. I really, really hope not.
New wires. Oh wait, I already have the complicated wires out. Okay.
Oh, God, please no. All right. I don't see anything. I hate it when the timer's on the back now. No? Oh, yeah, kind of complicated wires. There's 3 wires. 1, 2, 3, ABC.
Okay.
1 and 2 are connected to A. 3 is connected to B.
You have red.
I have all black wires.
All black wires. This is the first black wire. What the hell?
This one seems like it's really fucking complicated.
Okay, so.
Okay.
And what are they connected to?
1 is connected to A, 2 is connected to A, and 3 is connected to B.
Cut all of them.
Cut all of them. Alright. That one worked.
Move to the next thing.
Alright, so we've got 4, 5, and 6 to A, B, and C, and it's black, blue, black. 4 is connected to C.
Cut it.
Okay.
5 is connected to B. Is blue and connected to
Blue and connected to A.
Don't cut it. What is this? The black wire.
Black and connected to A.
Do not cut it. Move on.
Awesome. Okay, so 7 doesn't have a wire.
Okay.
8 has a blue wire connected to A.
Cut it.
9 has a red wire connected to A.
Leave it.
Awesome. Alright, so nothing has a wire except for 12 connected to B.
There's a 12
It's-
wire.
Yeah, 10, 11, 12. Red is connected to B.
This manual does not go for 10, 11, and 12.
Really?
It stops at 9.
Oh my god, no. What do I do then? Does that mean I just leave it?
Oh. All panels. I guess so. I guess.
Nope, that wasn't right. Maybe cut it,
Okay,
because
go
it was cut it. Because, I mean, it was the only one there, so I guess that was a good thing. Anyway, numbers, your favorite one.
Oh, okay, great. Okay.
How much time do we have left? I don't even want to look.
Yeah, don't worry.
Oh, shit, I already looked.
God damn it. What's the display?
2.
Numbers?
2, 1, 3, 4.
2, 1, 3, 4, 3.
Alright, hold on. Nope, that wasn't it.
What?
3 is the display. 4, 3, 1, 2. We have 2 strikes now, by the way. That matters.
And is this stage 1 or stage 2? I don't know. Probably stage 1.
It's stage 1.
Click on 1.
Okay. 2. And it's 4, 2, 1, 3.
4, 2, 1, 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Click on 1.
Okay.
Okay.
3, 1, 3, 4, 2.
1, 3, 4, 2. Click on 4.
Alright. 4, 1, 3, 2, and the number is 3.
Click on 3.
Alright, and the last one is 3, 4, 1, 2, and the number is 1.
Click on 1.
Awesome. Wires, side wires, not complicated.
Okay. Okay.
4 or 5? 5, sorry.
Serial number? What's the last number?
The last number is, if I can scroll it, even.
How many red wires?
2.
How many black wires?
None.
Second.
Boosh! Yeah, we got it. Nice.
Bomb defusing like maniacs. Although I think the people who put bombs out there are maniacs.
They're all the same though. So like,
Who's building these bombs? Like you think he would change it up a little bit? Although I'm not asking.
Man, he totally like diffused the last one. You know what I'm gonna do? Put a different module. Only one though. The rest of them are the same. Maybe that'll trip them up.
Man, I've been using 6 wires this whole time. I guess I'm gonna continue to use 6 wires. Oh, that one had 5.
I love the name of this one.
What's the name?
It says One Giant Leap, but it's called 60% of the time this bomb explodes every time. That's true, though.
Okay.
Anyway, so it's 4 modules this time instead of 3. So same time frame, nothing really new. Let's see if we can get through section whatever this time. Yeah. I have to tilt this a little bit. All right. So we've got. Oh Jesus! Hold on. Let's start with something we know. Oh my God. Let's start with the keypad. Well, with the symbols on it.
So, weird symbols.
Yeah, weird symbols.
Famous symbol.
I think we've done this one before. Bold H on its side.
Bold H on its side.
There's a bold H, a 6, a trident, and a backwards E.
Okay. 6 E H trident.
Awesome. Simon Says.
Okay. How many stripes?
None.
Okay.
Yellow.
Green.
Green. Yellow. Blue.
Green, red.
Okay. So if it's yellow, blue, yellow, green, red, green. Oh shit.
You messed up.
Yeah.
We have 1 stripe.
And it's yellow.
Red.
Yellow, blue, yellow.
Red, green, red.
I was. Oh shit. Yellow, blue, yellow, yellow.
Red, green, red, red.
Yeah, I went to go left, but it went up for some reason. All right, up and down wires. This one seems like fun.
Oh god, up and down wires. Okay. Above each wire is an LED.
Light.
Below it is a space for a star symbol. For each wire, Venn diagram. Okay, what's the first wire?
Blue and white.
Blue.
No LED, no star. I feel like this one's really complicated. God damn. Ah, the lights went out. Shit. I can barely see anything.
Is the last digit of the serial number even?
I will tell you in a minute. Yes.
Cut it.
All right, it's cut.
Next one.
Blue and red, and an LED light, but no star.
And it's even?
What? Yeah, it's even.
Cut it.
Okay. Red, light, and star. Oh my god, hold on. Jesus. Snooze that shit. There's an alarm clock on the table, and it just decided to freak out. Sorry. Red with an LED light and star.
Does the bomb have 2 or more batteries?
Yes.
Cut it.
Okay. Blue and red, star, but no LED.
Does the bomb have a parallel port? The parallel port would be what looks like a computer port with
Is it
2
paint?
rows.
Oh, 2 rows?
Yes. Only 2 rows of spikes.
Jesus Christ. 2 rows of spikes.
Well, it's not spikes, but like holes.
I know, but is it a long, like, trapezoid looking thing?
Yeah, long trapezoid looking thing, but it only has 2 rows.
Yes.
It's a long one.
Yes.
Okay. Then you want to cut that wire.
Okay. Blue with an LED light, but no star. Shit, we got a minute left.
Cut it.
White with star, no LED.
White with star.
Yeah.
Cut it.
All right, good. We're good.
Next.
It's got a whole bunch of letters, 5 letters. M-N-E-T-O-P. M-N-E-T-O-p.
Okay, what are the combinations for the second one?
U-O-Z-B-T-Q. Oh my god! Oh god, the explosion scared the shit out of me because I didn't know what was gonna happen. Yeah. Yeah. I feel like we should do that one first next time because that one seems like the most complicated one.
Yeah.
Was it just trying to figure out what the, like, possibility of name is, or?
I'm trying. Yeah, it's stupid.
Okay.
I hate it.
Well, we already started the next one, so. And they're all in the front. Oh god. I don't like any of these, actually. Let's just get this keypad one out the way.
The one we did last?
Symbols.
Oh, symbols?
Yeah, sorry.
Symbols.
Backwards C with a dot.
Okay.
A with a T.
Okay.
O with a line.
Okay.
And the Z thingy.
OAZZ.
Alright. Oh, here we go. Morse code again.
Good.
I'm gonna let you know when I'm starting. Okay, no, never mind. Alright, ready? Dot, 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 line. Line, or dot, line. Oh my god, hold on. The thing just went off and I couldn't concentrate. The alarm. Alright, going back to the beginning again. So far we've got dot, 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 line.
Okay.
Dot, line, dot, line. Dot, line, dot, or line, line, line. Oh my god. I hate Morse code.
Okay, just transmit on 3595.
3595? God, I hope that's right.
Good.
Yep, thank God.
Okay.
There. They are.
The display?
Yep.
This one's great. So, they are?
Yeah.
Or there as in they are?
Yeah, there as in they are.
Bottom left.
Is next.
What? Question mark?
Got it.
Display?
Give me a sec. There as in a place.
Bottom right.
Blank.
Wait.
Okay. And they are as in separate words.
Middle left.
Your. Or your, like your thing. Your item.
UH.
UH. No.
UR.
Alright, cool. 1, 2, 3 ABC wires. There's no wires except for 3, which is red, connected to C.
Okay, wait, what?
All the wires, the only wires that are there, are the 3 connected to C, which is red.
They're all red.
No. 1 and 2 don't have wires.
Oh.
3 is connected to C, and it's red.
Okay, keep it and move on.
That's wrong. It said it was wrong, and I had to cut it. Shit. 4 is connected to A, and it's red. Or is this what was the first instance of a red number, or of a red wire?
Right, okay.
So this is the second instance of a red wire.
Okay. What's next?
A.
Keep it.
First instance of blue wire, connected to A.
Keep it.
Third instance of red wire, connected to C.
Keep it. Move on.
Awesome. Blue to A.
Cut it.
First black to A.
Cut it.
Second black to A.
Cut it.
Third black to A.
Keep it.
Is this the third blue, I think?
Yes.
Okay, to B.
Cut it.
Woo! 59.79 seconds. Yeah. No, overtime. Like, we get overtime if we... I'm joking. That was a joke.
Oh my god, I was like, wait.
You looked at me so confused.
Bombs go off at 0. That's what I always learned.
They give you about a minute of overtime just in case. Alright, let's see if we can... oh, God.
Okay, so I have to say I'm going to hate password.
Oh, okay.
Password.
One mistake and it's all over. Wipe the sweat off your palms. Oh, Jesus.
Wait, it's a 1 strike?
No, the next one is 5 modules, 3 strikes, 5 minutes. But there's one that's 8 minutes for 8 modules. And then there's like a 5-minute 1 strike thing. Alright, so let's do the 5 module one real quick. Anything can appear on this one, it said. So.
Including needy modules?
Oh, no, except for those. Any of the modules that we've encountered so far.
Alright, which is a total of 11 different modules.
Yeah. Alright, the good news is they're all in the front. Bad news is I'm terrible at... Oh my god, that's terrifying. Alright, let's go with this freaking Morse code first. I'll tell you when I'm starting. All right, here we go. Long, dot, 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 long, dot, dot, or long, dot, long is the last one.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Yep. Hopefully it's a word. Please let it be a word. Please don't let me fuck up. Is it a word?
So. No, because the first letter is B and the second one is S, and I don't see the S.
Okay, hold on.
Is it possible that it was dot long dot and not dot dot dot?
In the second one? Okay, let me check. So first one is long dot dot.
Long dot dot?
Long dot dot dot. Yeah, it's long dot or dot long dong dot long dot for the second one.
It is dot long dot.
Yeah, for the second
And
one.
the third one is one dot?
Yeah.
What is that?
Is that correct? Hopefully.
That's E-R-I-A. Okay, I'm gonna go with E-R-I.
Which is
3575. Sure.
alright. Oh, hold on. Nope, that was wrong. Shit. Alright, hold on. Long dot 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 long dot 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 long dot long.
So it's 5 letters?
Yeah, it's 5 letters. We're already halfway through this. I don't think we're going to be able to... Well, the other ones aren't too bad. There's one that's going to take a little while, but the other ones shouldn't take too long. Anything? Anything whatsoever?
Yeah, oh, okay. 3572.
Alright, that was right. Okay, keypad with symbols.
Okay.
Trident.
Okay.
Filled in star. Backwards P. Cat 3.
Okay. You said trident, filled in star.
Backwards P.
Backwards P.
Three with a tail and...
I got you. Trident, P, 3, star.
Alright. Wires. Horizontal.
Horizontal. How many?
6.
6 wires. How many yellow wires?
None.
Is the last digit of the serial number?
0. It's even.
No. You said no yellow wires. Any red wires?
2.
Okay, cut 4th wire.
Alright, we're good on that one. Numbers with the sequence.
Oh, God.
Yeah, that one's gonna be fun.
Okay,
3, 2, 4, 3, 1.
2, 4, 3, 1.
Yeah, and it's 3.
Click on 3.
Okay. Shit. Sorry, the alarm went off again. 1, 4, 1, 2, 3.
4, 1.
Yep.
4.
Alright. 4, 4, 1, 2, or 4, 1, 3, 2.
What?
4, 4, 1, 3, 2.
4.
Okay. Shit. I don't think we're gonna make it in this one. 2, 1, 4, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, and the number is 2.
1.
Alright, let's just get through this one. We've got 10 seconds left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4. Shit, I hit the wrong button. GG, guys. GG. Okay, blew up.
From time or strikes?
From time.
Was that the last module?
No, it was the second to last one. We weren't going to get it anyway, but
Okay.
the last one was the stars and the LED lights.
Oh.
Yeah, that one would have taken forever.
No, did you see this fucking Venn diagram that I have to look at?
Jesus.
Yeah, I can't even tell, like, what's overlapping and what's not. That's the problem. If I had a marker, I'd be able to tell immediately. Like, if I could just mark that. Instead, I have a bunch of fucking letters and ovals and with lines.
Well, that's all the time we have for this episode. Remember to rate the video, comment down. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Leave a like, comment if you want, and have a good evening, morning, and night wherever you are watching this. And I hope you guys stay awesome. Later.